Hey Kickstarter, we're Tucktec and we make portable folding kayaks. Owning a kayak is great. We'd all love to get out on the water whenever we want, and maybe you're like we were. You don't have room to store a kayak or any way to transport one. Our folding kayaks are lightweight and packed down to store just about anywhere and don't require the hassle and expense of a roof rack. They set up in less than 2 minutes and give you the time and freedom to experience more of the outdoors and do it without breaking the bank or sacrificing performance. Now, we're not trying to replace traditional kayaks. We want to be a much better alternative to portable kayaks like inflatables. And we want to be a much more economic alternative to other folding kayaks out there that can cost thousands of dollars. We want you to have a portable kayak that looks, feels, and performs just like a hard shell, but hyper portable. Our kayaks are durable, extremely tough, Coast Guard approved and rated for years and years of use. Now, here's where you come in. Guess what? We're already in production. We've been making and shipping kayaks for over a year now, and it's taken off huge. So at such an early stage of our company's growth, we can make choices. Do we ramp up production based on how we do things now, or do we take a leap and do things the way we really should do them? With your support, we can take that leap and move our entire production of kayaks to recycled. Our goal is to turn waste into something our backers can enjoy. A successful Kickstarter will let us do that right now. We want to do our part to stop plastic from polluting our waters. You can make it a reality for this production run and every run of kayaks we do in the future. With your help, we can launch the Tucktec Eco Kayak.
Did you know the reason why your towels smell bad is because of bacteria? And did you know that every time you wash, your washing machine is using 44 liters of water? What if you could eliminate the bacteria, save 1,800 liters of water per year, and create more time and a greener ecosystem for your family and home?
We all know the feeling of walking into the bathroom, seeing the towels that you've been meaning to wash for days still hanging there. NORDIFAXT has created a product that helps you get rid of the smell and the guilt of those towels.
The towel has looked and acted the same for decades. There are technologies available to make them smarter and better. So why shouldn't the towel reflect the time we live in? We did something about it. We completely rethought the classic towel and gave it a unique, lightweight weave and added a technology to it that makes it greener and less work.
NORDIFAXT towels are treated with natural silver salt, which stops the growth of bacteria, meaning you can wash your towels less, and less washing means that your towels will last much longer. We've spent the last 18 months developing the NORDIFAXT towel.
We've been through endless amounts of samples and failed attempts, making it lightweight, fast-drying, and soft, while giving it a unique weave and a Nordic design. The NORDIFAXT towel actually makes it possible to make a big difference for ourselves and for the environment. Because you can use more and wash less, you actually save both time and money and leave a positive environmental impact.
This is Eco Gloves. Pick up food, pick up trash, pick up after your pets, but don't pick up the germs. Because life changes with Eco Gloves. And sadly, this was probably also you. But now you're smarter because you have Eco Gloves, the 100% compostable glove that helps provide a barrier between you and the germy, messy things you touch every day. They're made from plant-based materials, are thick and durable, latex-free, BPA-free, powder-free, individually packed, and pocket-friendly for your on-the-go needs. Preparing food, quick cleanups, handling trash, handling pets, snacking, and much more. Just pack your Eco Gloves, level up your clean, and enjoy clean hands anytime, anywhere with Eco Gloves.
Last year, we brought you the innovative AVALON hoodie that's made with recycled coffee. Now we're back with our latest eco-minded coffee tech apparel, the Switchback shirt. The Switchback shirt is a durable, stylish, go-anywhere kind of shirt. The classic button-up design fits into any setting, whether you're hitting the trail or out on the town. Each Switchback is made by combining 12 plastic bottles and 3 cups of used coffee grounds, helping reduce our waste while discovering new fabrics and technologies. With coffee embedded into the fabric, the Switchback shirt actually helps you stay up to 3 degrees cooler by wicking away excess heat and moisture. And, like the AVALON hoodie, the Switchback traps odors, so it requires less washing. The Switchback also blocks UV rays, giving you an extra layer of protection while out in the sun. With zipper pockets, the Switchback shirt keeps your valuables safe while traveling or on the go. The Switchback is also packable and lightweight, so it's the perfect addition to any travel bag. Our goal is to create products that help our planet and offset our impact. Please back and share our project and switch it up with the Switchback travel shirt.
Back with a huge potential new product. Since the beginning, we wanted to create glasses that combine price, sustainability, and quality, and we did it. We've learned a lot from our first campaign, and now we want to introduce you to our new product, AVALON Bluelight. How many hours a day do you spend in front of a screen? A lot more than you should. That's why we want to help you. AVALON Bluelight is a product designed for those who spend most of their time connected. Bluelight technology can help you to improve your sleep routine, reduce your eye fatigue and eye strain, and also prevent macular degeneration. Thanks to the feedback from the first campaign, we have developed a brand new premium spring hinge, so our glasses fit every face and head shape. In addition, we offer you the option to purchase the ultimate accessory, our polarized solar clip with a silicone coating to avoid damaging the glasses frame and lenses, and to make AVALON Bluelight even more complete. We've created a collection of 4 different styles, Anto, Carlo, Piero, and Stella, to fit every single one of you, and available in 4 exclusive new colorways inspired by what we love the most. AVALON Bluelight comes with a completely redesigned holographic packaging. In addition, we will use rPET to produce our pouches and cleaning cloths. Just like with our first campaign, we want to find purpose in everything we do. Studies show that people around the world buy a total of 1 million plastic bottles per minute. That's almost 1.5 billion plastic bottles per day. That is why this time around, we will recycle 1 plastic bottle for each pair of glasses produced. We want you to be the first one to experience our new creation. Back AVALON Bluelight now.
Not all bags are created equal. There are plastic bags, and then there are A0 bags. They are not plastic, and they are more than just bags. Each A0 bag is an artistic vision of conservation. Artists from all over the world are contributing to this project, and we are sharing their work with you. Our campaign is about art helping the environment. Plastic-free living is possible and convenient. A0 bags are made from vegetable starch and eliminate any need for plastic bags altogether. That means 0 plastic in landfills, rivers, and oceans. That's right, 0, zip, zilch, nada. We've partnered with a team of biochemists using the best available technology to create our products. As a result, A0 bags disintegrate into pure organics once disposed and are absolutely safe for the environment. What's more important, the unique artwork on A0 bags is designed to stand out and raise awareness. Please support our campaign. Be the first to use A0 bags and lead by example. Become a part of our I Stand With Nature movement and inspire others.
Wow.
Together, we can make a difference, one organic bag at a time. We need your help to deliver a simple but powerful message that governments and corporations can't ignore. I stand with nature.
I stand with nature.
I stand
with nature.
I stand with nature.
What about you?